In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Freshdesk account. And to do this, I'm going to use the online free web app StyleBI. So to start off with, I signed into StyleBI. I'm going to click Connect to Data Source. I'm going to scroll down and find Freshdesk. Here it is. Select it. Click Create. Now, first, I need to enter my domain. And you'll notice that once I've entered my domain name now appears as part of the URL to display the URL that I would put into a browser to view my Freshdesk account. So next I need to put in my API key. To find your Freshdesk API key, log into your Freshdesk account. Then on the top right corner, click on the user icon, then click on Profile Settings. Then on the top right, click the View API Key button. Complete a CAPTCHA. And now copy the API key. Paste the API key into the aforementioned section. Scroll down, click OK. Next step is to create a query. Select Freshdesk 1 query. And next I need to select an endpoint, and I'm going to use the contacts endpoint for this particular dashboard. Scroll down, click OK. Next, I'm going to save my data worksheet, click OK. Next, I'm going to click Create Dashboard, and I'm not going to use the visualization recommender for this dashboard, so I'll click Finish, click Continue, and I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Click OK. And next, I'm going to edit my blank dashboard by clicking this pencil icon right here. So I'd like to start by making a pie chart of active versus not active contacts. So I'm going to drag out a chart here, going to make it just a little bit smaller. Going to click Edit, click through the full editor. Going to select Pie Chart on my chart menu. Now I need an ID to aggregate the contacts on. So I'm going to click on Actions and click on Convert to Measure. Next, I'm going to find ID under Measures and drag it into the Y-axis. And now I need a dimension to break down by color on. And I'm going to use Active. So I drag that into the color section. Click Finish. And now I have a pie chart that shows the proportion of contacts that are active versus not active. As you can see, very few of them are active. But I'd like to drill down into this data with a table. So I'm dragging out a table here. I'm going to make it a little bit shorter so that it matches. Click Edit. And since this is displaying individual contact details, I want the name. So I'm going to search for name, drag that out. And I think the email also. And I think I'll also include the active dimension that I used in my other chart. And I'm going to drag that out first so that it's the first one displaying. I'm going to click Finish. So now I have a chart that's aggregating the data, and I have a table that's showing the detail level rows of data. But I'd like to make my dashboard more interactive and make it so that my chart can be used to filter my table. So I'm going to select the chart, right-click, select Properties, scroll down. Under Flyover, I'm going to select my table, click OK. And now when I preview the dashboard, you'll see that my table of contacts will update based on what section of the pie chart I hover over. So if I hover over the true section, it shows only the true. And if I hover over the false section, it shows only the records where are false. And I can drill down into this data. So let's say if I want to just select the true records, I can now download this table by clicking Export and download an Excel file. And I can get those detail level rows for just those contacts that are active. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Freshdesk account.